In this video, I'm going to give you the fastest way to realistically hit 10,000 YouTube subscribers, and I'm going to condense over 500 videos worth of experience into a simple YouTube growth strategy that you can literally copy and paste off me, even if you're a small channel with no subscribers. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so when it comes to growing on YouTube, there's really two ways that you can grow, and number one is to grow via browse. Now, if you open up YouTube on like your phone or on your PC, the home page is what we refer to as browse. Now, the problem with browse is your video is going to be up against Mr. Beast, Alex Amosi, Eman Gadzhi, all these guys with millions of followers, and all else being equal, if a random viewer on YouTube sees your video and they see Mr. Beast's video side by side, they're going to click Mr. Beast's video. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to give your video a bad CTR, meaning not many people click on it. And when YouTube sees that, when YouTube's algorithm sees that not many people are watching your video, it's going to kill your video, right? And this is why growing on browse as a small channel, and even as a channel of my size with 27k subscribers, it's pretty difficult, right? It's pretty difficult as a beginner. So it's a hard way to grow, and the easiest and fastest way to grow, if you want to just grow on YouTube, is to focus on YouTube search. Now, people don't know this, but YouTube is actually the second biggest search engine in the world. The only one that's bigger than it is Google search. However, and you probably agree with this, right? With AI coming into play, Google search is probably going to go down, and YouTube search, the demand for people teaching on search with a video is probably just going to go up, right? With AI flooding the whole ecosystem, right? So what we want to do is we want to focus on YouTube search. Now, let me show you, right, what I actually mean by this, because the easiest way to learn is always via an example. So, and again, like I said, this took me 500 videos to realize, right? So I'm giving you everything that I've learned condensed, right? So please do pay attention to this. So here's my videos, and if we just scroll down, right, some of these videos here, these are browse-based videos. Now, what I mean by this is me trying to just, like, I want to be on the homepage, and I'm hoping that anyone sees this, they'll click it, and then the video will go viral and get millions of views. Problem is, like I said, right, my video's up against Eman Gadzhi, Alex Amosi, Mr. Beast, right? People are going to click theirs over mine, and they're going to click theirs over yours. So what we want to do instead is we want to focus on YouTube search. I want to show you, and I want to show you the power of this. So if we go on my channel, and you can do this on your channel, but for my channel, as of recording this, any video that's got more than 10k views is like really good, right? It's really good. It's probably my top 20 videos. So if we go on my channel, and I realized this recently, right? If we look at the videos that have more than 10,000 views on my channel, you'll see something, and this is why I saw, right? They all have the exact same thing in common, which is they are ranking on YouTube search. So let me show you the power of this. Here we are on just one of my videos that's got more than 10k YouTube views, right? So here we are. Here's the video. When it first uploaded, it got 3k views. Okay, that's good, right? That's definitely good, right? It's, like it says, typically between 2 to 4.8k views, right? Somewhere in the middle. However, look at this, right? This is where it gets really powerful. Look at this over time. It just keeps on getting views, keeps on getting views. Whereas with browse, it gets an initial surge. If it does well, it does well. If it does not do well, it just dies off right away. Whereas because we're on YouTube search, we're consistently growing over time. So if you go and reach for your YouTube videos like this, and you scroll down, what you'll see is you'll see YouTube search, you'll see browse, and you see all these others. Really, browse and YouTube search are the only two ways to grow. But like I said, browse is hard because you're going to be up against Mr. Beast. You're going to be up against every subscriber that the viewer subscribed to, right? So with YouTube search, much easier. And just to prove the point to you even more, if you go and see more section right here, on the YouTube search, look at this, right? Now, you might not know a lot about YouTube. A 17.2% CTR is absolutely insane, right? That's absolutely insane because it's getting shown to the right people. Whereas with browse, obviously 9%, it's a really good video. But 17.2% is absolutely insane. And the good thing about YouTube search is you're going to consistently get views, get subscribers, get ad revenue, and get leads for your business over time. So if we just zoom out of here, and I really want to show the power of this to you, right? Because it's super important. I mean, we can just look at, here's one of my best videos, right? And I'll show you the power of this because it's absolutely insane when you're on YouTube search. So this video right here, when it first started off, 3.8k views, right? Typical trading video, just like all my other videos. However, look at this, ranking on YouTube search, and look at the compound effect. This is the good thing about YouTube search, because with browse, you'll make a video and it will just die off. And, you know, if no one watches it, it's just going to die off, right? Whereas YouTube search, not only is it going to keep getting views, it's going to get more and more and more views. This video keeps getting more views for me, right? Like over time, it's doing more and more and more. And you can see this, right? The title of this video is how to get 10k subscribers fast. You only need a few videos like this. You only need a few videos like this, and you know, you're at 10k already, right? So super important. And if we go and reach like this, 9.5% TTR, and you can see YouTube search is the king, right? YouTube search is the king. And one last thing, because I really want to prove this to you, because you're probably going to think, oh, Atif, this might work for trading or whatever, right? This might work for you, but it might not work for me. All these limiting beliefs. This is probably the most important video on my whole channel, right? So as I'm recording this, my channel is basically a trading channel, right? If you look at my videos, they're almost all trading. Now I want to do more videos than just trading, right? Because, you know, I've taught everything I wanted with trading, right? There's not much more I can teach. But if you look at this video right here, how to grow an X and Twitter, it has nothing to do with my account and my channel whatsoever. However, let's look at these stats. So when the video, this is actually a really funny story, right? So when the video first came out, you can see how many views did it get? 173 views, right? My videos normally get 1K views, and we had a 1.9% CTR, right? So for those who don't know, a 1.9% CTR is terrible, right? That's a terrible, that means like less than 2% of people actually click the video. And my video editor, he had like a panic attack, right? He wanted to redo the whole video and stuff. I was like, no, this is a YouTube search-based video. So initially, it did terrible on browse, right? No one cared, no one wanted to click. However, look at this. Over time, it just keeps on getting views, subscribers, leads. And think about that. 127 people subscribed to a trading channel based on this video alone. Right, 127 subscribers. So this worked. And again, if we just go and reach, and look at YouTube search, that is the king, right? That is the king. So hopefully, right, hopefully it makes sense. You want to play and you want to focus on YouTube search. Now, I've got a faceless channel, like a business channel. I'm not going to get it up, right? It's going to take too long, but that's the exact same strategy I'm using. Just focus on YouTube search. So hopefully by now, and this probably makes sense to you, right? You don't want to focus on browse because you're going to be up against Mr. Beast, Alex Tamosi, Eman Gadzi. Instead, you probably agree with this, right? We want to focus on YouTube search because it's easier to get views and leads over time, right? So now that we know that YouTube search is the play and that's what we want to do, what we need to do next is we need to actually find how do we actually rank on YouTube search. Okay, so this is where things get really, really interesting. So to rank on YouTube search, I use a tool called vidIQ. Now this isn't an affiliate link. You can get vidIQ for free, right? Well, you can get it for free. I know that for sure. So what you want to do is you want to get vidIQ up and you want to go into new chat here, right? Like I've literally just clicked it. Now, what vidIQ really is, it's like ChatGPT for YouTube, and more importantly, vidIQ is trained on all of YouTube's data, right? YouTube and vidIQ, maybe they've got a partnership or whatever, but vidIQ has access to all of YouTube's data. So what you want to do, and this is what I do, right, is the first thing you got to decide is, I don't know what your niche is. You will know what your niche is or whatever you want to make a video about. In this case, so for this video right here, I want to make a video on growing on YouTube. I asked, okay, how can I rank on YouTube to the AI? So let's imagine for whatever reason, let's say you're in investing and you want to rank for dividend investing. What you would do is you'd come onto the AI and say, for example, give me a YouTube search based video and title. Actually, let's say type YouTube search based title and description that will rank on YouTube search and then of course whatever your topic is. It could be, I don't know, right, drop shipping or whatever, on dividend investing, right? Let's say this, for example, right? All you want to do is just tell the AI, hey, look, I want to be on YouTube search, give me the title and description, and then feed it into the AI and let the AI do its thing. And now what it will do, is you can see it's here thinking, what it's going to do, it's actually pretty cool how it says this, right? It's pretty cool how it says this. So what it's going to do, it's going to scan all of YouTube's videos, and it's going to give all of the SEO, all that good stuff. And again, you can see it here. So it's looking at all of the searches per month, so 147k views, all this. And the good thing is, I see a lot of guys on YouTube saying do this manually. Why would you do it manually when vidIQ can do it all for you, right? So yeah, and what it's going to do, it's going to rank the titles based on how well they'll do, and you can see it all here if you're actually interested. And the good thing is about vidIQ, like I said, is it's going to scan all of YouTube's videos right here. Now, if you look at the YouTube search-based titles it's going to give you a score out of 100, which is actually pretty good. So dividend investing for beginners, how to build passive income that lasts, pretty good. Now, is this the best title you can come up with? Absolutely not. However, this description here is good to go, right? You can just copy and paste this straight into YouTube, and people say it. And again, I had a YouTube coach who said this, right? Like, YouTube does look at descriptions. It does look at descriptions. Like I said, that video on how to grow an X, YouTube looks at, this is my thesis. Again, no one knows the algorithm, right? So I don't know why people are saying this, but when YouTube has a description, in my opinion, in my experience with 500 videos, what it does is it has the SEO description. It thinks, okay, this video is on, I don't know, how to grow on Twitter, and then what it will do is it will show that video to people interested on how to grow on Twitter. Now, if those people don't like the video because the video is awful and it's clickbait, then YouTube's going to kill the video. However, if they think, oh, that video is actually all right, it's not that bad actually, it's decent, that video is going to do well. So description kind of shows YouTube, it gives the YouTube algorithm, hey, look, show my video to these sort of people. So people saying description doesn't matter, not good at all. So again, this is what you want to copy and paste straight into, your YouTube description. And you can use this title if you want, but I might say, okay, give me a stronger based YouTube search title. But keep the description the same, right? Something like that. Keep the description the same and give me a stronger based title. Keep the description the same, right? Like that. Okay, so I fed the prompt into AI and this is what it's come with. However, if you want the absolute best titles, make sure you check out the pinned comment down below. I made a completely free PDF with the best YouTube titles, because the reality is all these YouTube search-based videos and even the viral-based videos, they follow a proven format. And I've made a full free PDF in the pinned comment down below. And what you can do is you can download it and you can attach it to the AI like this, right? Attach it to it and with the image, with the file, and feed it into AI and use the prompt that I just gave you, and it will give you the absolute best titles, right? So go check it out in the pinned comment down below completely for free. However, this is what the AI's come up with without even the prompt or without even the PDF, which is this: how the rich use dividend investing to stay rich, and you can copy them. I don't know about you, that's pretty good. Like, that's pretty good. And again, this is a YouTube search-based video, so we don't have to go browse. Again, if you want to go purely browse, you can use this. But the reality is, vidIQ, this description, this style, this is good enough to rank on YouTube search, right? Dividend investing for beginners, how to build passive income that lasts. Now, why is this good, right? Because the whole point of YouTube search, remember, is people are searching on YouTube. If you're searching, how do I invest in dividends, or how do I, build a dividend portfolio, and this title comes up, dividend investing for beginners, how to build passive income that lasts, pretty good. Like, you're very likely to click it. Now, is this going to go viral on the, against Mr. Beast? No, absolutely not. But that's not the plan, right? We want to go on YouTube search and get that consistent traffic, that I had, like that. That's what we want to get. So this is really how you use YouTube, right? The whole point of going on, when you're starting out, and the fastest way to get to 10k subscribers is you want to rank on YouTube search for as many key terms as you can. Just rank on search, and you're going to gain subscribers, leads, views, ad revenue, sponsorships, and just leads over time. That is the fastest way to grow on YouTube. Again, I'm telling you this as like your older brother with 500 videos. Do not waste time as a beginner going on browse, because you're up, like I said, you're up against the best, right? You're up against the best. Get experience on YouTube search, build up a loyal audience, and then and only then should you look at taking on browse. That is the fastest way to grow. So make sure you get the PDF down below. It has all the proven title scripts in a free PDF that you can just feed into AI. And make sure you watch this video on screen now. It's the video about how to grow on Twitter. Go check it out and you can see how I deliberately ranked on YouTube search.